Welcome back to Heart and Mind. Today, we're diving deep into how positive psychology can enhance your relationship. Positive psychology focuses on strengths, virtues, and factors that contribute to a fulfilling life. Applying these principles to your relationship can create a stronger, happier bond. Here are 11 comprehensive ways to use positive psychology to enhance your relationship. 1. Express gratitude. Regularly showing appreciation for your partner can transform your relationship. Simple gestures like saying thank you or acknowledging the little things they do can make them feel valued and cherished. Try keeping a gratitude journal where you jot down things you appreciate about each other. Expressing gratitude fosters a positive environment and strengthens emotional bonds. How to implement. Start or end your day by sharing something you're grateful for. Write small notes of appreciation and leave them where your partner can find them. Make a habit of thanking your partner for the little things they do, not just the big gestures. 2. Practice active listening. Truly hearing and understanding each other is crucial. Active listening involves giving your full attention, making eye contact, and responding thoughtfully. This practice shows that you respect and value your partner's thoughts and feelings, which builds trust and intimacy. Reflective listening, where you repeat back what you've heard, can ensure you both are on the same page and feel understood. How to implement? Minimize distractions by putting away your phone and turning off the TV during conversations. Nod and provide verbal affirmations like "I see" or "that makes sense" to show you're engaged. Summarize what your partner said to confirm understanding before responding. 3. Share positive experiences. Creating and celebrating joyful moments together enhances your connection. Whether it's planning a vacation, engaging in a shared hobby, or enjoying a simple walk in the park, these experiences create lasting memories and deepen your bond. Positive shared experiences increase your collective happiness and build a reservoir of positive emotions to draw on during tougher times. How to implement. Plan regular date nights and try new activities together. Celebrate milestones, both big and small, with special outings or home celebrations. Create traditions that you can look forward to and enjoy together. 4. Encourage growth. Supporting each other's personal development is vital for a healthy relationship. Celebrate your partner's achievements and encourage them to pursue their passions and goals. This mutual support fosters respect and admiration. Set personal and joint goals, and celebrate milestones together, reinforcing the idea that you're both growing and evolving together. How to implement. Discuss your dreams and aspirations regularly and find ways to support each other. Attend workshops or classes together that can help you grow individually and as a couple. Recognize and praise each other's efforts and successes. Use positive affirmations. Speaking kindly and encouraging each other daily can significantly impact your relationship. Positive affirmations can boost your partner's self-esteem and reinforce the positive aspects of your relationship. Simple phrases like "I believe in you" or "you're amazing at what you do" can uplift your partner's spirit and reinforce a positive atmosphere. How to implement. Make it a habit to say something positive to your partner each day. Use specific affirmations that acknowledge their qualities and efforts. Write down affirmations and leave them in places your partner will see them. 6. Cultivate empathy. Understanding and sharing your partner's feelings strengthens emotional connections. Empathy involves putting yourself in your partner's shoes and validating their emotions. This practice can reduce misunderstandings and conflicts as it fosters a deeper emotional connection and support. Try to regularly check in with each other's feelings and validate their experiences without judgment. How to implement. Ask your partner about their day and how they're feeling, and listen without interrupting. Acknowledge their feelings with statements like, "That sounds really tough," or "I can see why you feel that way." Practice responding with empathy rather than jumping to solutions. Foster optimism. Maintaining a positive outlook on your relationship and future possibilities can help you navigate challenges together. Focus on the good aspects and the potential for growth and happiness. This optimistic approach keeps you both motivated and resilient, especially during tough times. Regularly discussing your hopes and dreams can keep your relationship forward-focused and inspiring. How to implement. Start a positivity jar where you both write down positive moments or things you're looking forward to. Regularly discuss your future goals and dreams and make plans to achieve them together. Focus on finding solutions and silver linings during difficult times. 8. Celebrate strengths. Recognizing and building on each other's strengths can enhance your relationship. Highlighting and appreciating each other's strengths fosters self-confidence and improves the overall dynamic. Take time to acknowledge and praise your partner's talents and contributions, reinforcing a positive and supportive environment. How to implement. Make a list of each other's strengths and read them aloud to each other. Create opportunities for your partner to use and showcase their strengths. Compliment your partner regularly and sincerely on their abilities and achievements. 9. Mindfulness together. Practicing mindfulness together can deepen your connection and reduce stress. Engage in mindfulness activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply being fully present during conversations. This practice helps you stay grounded and connected, allowing you to better appreciate and understand each other. How to implement. Set aside time each day to practice mindfulness together, such as a few minutes of meditation. Try mindful activities like yoga or walking in nature together. Focus on being fully present during your interactions, putting aside distractions, and focusing on each other. 10. Resolve conflicts positively. Addressing issues with a constructive mindset is essential for a harmonious relationship. Approach conflicts with the intention to understand and resolve rather than blame. Use I statements to express your feelings without accusing your partner, and seek solutions that work for both of you. This approach fosters mutual respect and a more effective resolution. How to implement. When conflicts arise, take a break to cool down if needed before discussing the issue. Use I statements to express how you feel and avoid blaming language. Work together to find compromises and solutions that satisfy both of you. 11. Laugh together. Keeping joy and fun alive in your relationship is crucial. Shared laughter strengthens your bond and helps you navigate through tough times with a lighter heart. Make time for fun activities, share jokes, and don't take yourselves too seriously. Laughter can be a powerful tool to diffuse tension and bring you closer together. How to implement. Watch comedies or share funny videos that make you both laugh. Play games or engage in playful activities that you both enjoy. Find humor in everyday situations and laugh together as much as possible. Enhancing your relationship with positive psychology can bring deeper connection and happiness. By focusing on these positive practices, you can build a more resilient and fulfilling partnership. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on nurturing your relationship. Thanks for watching.